In this section, we will dive into the realm of cyber threat intelligence, breaking it down for you in simple terms. We'll start by defining what threat intelligence is and then discuss the critical role it plays in the cybersecurity landscape. So, what exactly is threat intelligence? Threat intelligence, also known as cyber threat intelligence, is the collection, analysis, and dissemination of information about potential or current cyber threats and vulnerabilities. It helps organizations to make informed decisions about their security posture and protect their networks, systems, and data from malicious cyber activities. Simply put, threat intelligence is like a weather forecast for the cybersecurity world. It gives you an idea of what threats are brewing, their severity, and how to best prepare for them to minimize any potential damage. Now that we have a clear understanding of what threat intelligence is, let's talk about its significance in the field of cybersecurity. First and foremost, threat intelligence helps cybersecurity professionals identify and prioritize threats. By keeping up to date with the latest threat landscape, organizations can allocate their resources more effectively, focusing on the most pressing security concerns. Secondly, threat intelligence aids in the detection and prevention of cyber attacks. By analyzing threat data, cybersecurity professionals can identify patterns and trends that may indicate an impending attack. This enables organizations to implement proactive measures to mitigate risks and minimize the impact of any potential breach. Lastly, threat intelligence plays a crucial role in incident response. In the unfortunate event of a cyber attack, timely and accurate threat intelligence can help organizations quickly identify the source, nature, and extent of the breach. The primary objective of cyber threat intelligence is to provide organizations with a proactive approach to cybersecurity. By gathering and analyzing data about potential threats, security professionals can anticipate cyber attacks and respond more effectively. This proactive approach allows organizations to stay ahead of cybercriminal, reducing the risk of data breaches and minimizing the damage caused by successful attacks. To achieve this goal, cyber threat intelligence involves several strategies such as 1. Monitoring the dark web for stolen data and potential threats. 2. Analyzing the tactics, techniques, and procedures of threat actors. 3. Identifying new malware and vulnerabilities in software and hardware. 4. Collaborating with other organizations and sharing threat intelligence. These strategies help organizations stay informed about the latest threats and adapt their security measures accordingly. Now let's discuss how cyber threat intelligence goes beyond traditional security measures, enhancing an organization's cybersecurity posture. Beyond traditional security measures such as antivirus software and firewalls are essential components of a cybersecurity strategy. However, these tools alone are not enough to protect against advanced and evolving threats. Cyber threat intelligence adds a layer of protection by arming organizations with actionable information about the threat landscape. Adaptive approach. Cyber threat intelligence enables organizations to take an adaptive approach to cybersecurity. By analyzing threat data and staying informed about the latest tactics used by cybercriminals, organizations can adjust their security measures accordingly. This may involve updating security policies, deploying software patches, or reconfiguring network defenses. Collaboration and communication. Another advantage of cyber threat intelligence is that it encourages collaboration and communication between organizations. Sharing threat information helps the entire community stay informed and better prepared to defend against cyber attacks. This collective effort, in conclusion, cyber threat intelligence goes beyond traditional security measures by focusing on proactive, adaptive strategies. By staying ahead of cyber criminals, organizations can significantly reduce the risk of cyber attacks and protect their valuable data. In our next section, we will explore the different types of cyber threat intelligence and how they can be used to enhance cybersecurity. Stay tuned in this section.